Let's take a look at the Rize Strokez masturbator. Now this is a transparent masturbator, so you can see everything that's going on, which makes it a little bit more exciting for you. This is designed for penis stimulation and is a manual masturbator that you need to use yourself and stroke up and down the penis. The material is super stretchy and flexible for an accommodating fit of all sizes. The material itself is very soft and smooth and is easy to use. On the inside, as you can see, it features a stimulating texture of nubs, adding wonderful penis stimulation during your use. Perfect for both beginners and advanced users alike, and something great to experiment with in the bedroom. When using this masturbator, we'd highly recommend to apply a water-based lubricant to the inside of the sleeve as well as your penis for optimal comfort during use. Clean after every use with toy cleaner and lukewarm water, and make sure the masturbator sleeve is completely dry before using again. For more information on the Rize Strokez masturbator, you can head over to our website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.